All right, so for this math lesson, we're on page 68, and then we're going to do a practice worksheet. And then Monday, we will have a quiz. Okay, so pay attention to what we're doing. All right. So we're on page 68. You might have done this yesterday. If you did do it yesterday, just use this time to correct your work. Parkwood School has 1,165 students in 7th grade and 1,027 students in 8th grade. How many students are in both grades? So we're going to underline our question first. How many students are in both? So the words both and how many are going to tell us to add. Okay. Then we're going to have 1,165. Oh, sorry, because that's important information and that's important information. Plus 1,027. Okay, so 5. So if you need to draw your number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 5 plus 7. So we're going to start with 5. Oh, sorry, we start with 0. Hello, Stevie, Mrs. Guest. Come on. So we're going to start with 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We stop at the 5 because that's the 5. And we got 12. Carry that 1. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 plus 0 is 1, comma, 1 plus 1 is 2. So then it's asking you to fill it in over here in the bubble. And it's funny because this is actually a part of the quiz on the paper one. So this is important that you know how to do this. So the ones place is a 2. So you would fill in the 2. The tens place is a 9. So you're going to fill in the 9. The hundreds is a 1. So we're going to fill in a 1. Notice how we're going from column to column. And the thousands is a 2. So you'd fill it in like that. Find the sum. Sum tells us we're going to add of 9,618 and 132,501. Then estimate to check that your answer is reasonable. Show your work. So first we're going to find the sum. I'm going to write the biggest number on top because that always helps me. And then I'm going to write this number. We're going to have 9,618. Add them up. 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. 4, 1. We have 142,119. Now we're going to estimate to check to see if your answer is reasonable. Remember, when we're estimating, we're rounding and then adding. So we're not going to round to the 100,000 because there's no 100,000 here. We're not going to round to the 10,000 because there's no 10,000 here. We can round to the thousands place. And I think that that's where we should round to. So when we round to the thousands place in this one, we're going to look next door. And this number is a 5. So it tells us to round up. So this becomes a 3. So we have 133,000. Plus, we're still going to round to that thousands place value. We're going to look next door. It's a 6. It's more than 5. So that means we're going to round this number up too. Since it's a 9, that means we're going to round to 10. So we round up to 10,000. Now we add again. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0, 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. Are our answers close together? 142,000, 143,000. They are very close together. So this answer is reasonable. So you would say 142,119 is reasonable. Okay. Number 9, write an addition problem that has no regrouping. Each addend must have at least 4 digits. And then explain why you do not need to regroup. So I'm going to give an example, and then I want you to write your own. So if each addend has 4 digits at least, then we would have 4 digits. Then we're going to add so that we have no regrouping and we can come up with any number we want? Well, I'm going to add 1,111 because there is no reason to regroup. I could explain why I don't need to regroup. I'm going to explain by saying that each sum the sum in each place value is never more than 9. Because if it's more than 9, that's when we have to regroup. So now in this area right here, I want you to write your own at least 4-digit addition problem where you do not have to regroup.